Hello everyone, today I want to show you the basics of DocuSign, an extremely versatile software designed to make signing and sending documents easier. It features a robust cryptographic encryption system that makes it impossible to tamper with a document that has been already signed and allows others to review it, send further, or resend you to yourself. By 2018, it has saved an estimated 20 billion paper sheets from being printed because of people using DocuSign. Its main feature is that you can send documents via email to other people who need to sign it after you upload it. Each party must first agree to review the document and send it online. Signatures may be added as a stored copy or generated by the software. Here you can see some signatures that are suggested to me, John Doe, via this software. You can easily change your style. For example, if you prefer to just be signed as a regular computer font, you can use this one. Or if you prefer something more fancy, let's say that we want to use this one. And now all my signatures will be signed by this John Doe. So let me show you how to send an exemplary document for review. So we go to the Manage tab, then we go to create our first envelope, and then we have to upload a file. For example, I can upload this file because I want somebody else to review this chart. I will be the only signer, and I have to sign that this is authentic. For example, let's say that the subject is check for authenticity, and I don't want to send any message. Then I click on sign. DocuSign will now process my document. I receive a prompt, please review the documents below. I can review the document. Let's say that I want to add my signature to it right here. And another one right here. And then we will finish. And then let's send it to some email address. Let's say that I want to send it to Mike. And here's your signed document. And that's it. That's the basic of DocuSign. You can you can receive a message, then review it and send it to someone else. And now let's do it with a template, because if we use something often, we might want to use templates. So I have created the template using the same chart, and let's say that I often send similar charts. I just want to switch a few things. So let's use this template. And I can just use this template or change some things. Let's say that I don't need to change anything. Hey, Mike, can you see this? And sign this chart for me, and I can send it to him. And that's it. I've sent my envelope. And if I need to do something really often, for example, let's say that I send the same bills every month and I need someone else to review my bills, then I can just create templates for everything to make my life a little bit easier. And of course, I can check my reports, for example, how many envelopes I have used, because in DocuSign, you can send your mails via envelopes, just like in real life. They can be quote-unquote sealed, set to one-time view, and you can track all your stats right here. How many people signed your envelope, how many people returned your envelope, and some stats about how much DocuSign is helping to reduce paper usage, which is, I think, nice of them. So I find generally the software to be really intuitive, easy to learn, not problematic at all. The dark theme works great, it's my preferred choice. It's worth mentioning that they also have a free companion app that you can use on your phone that allows you to upload your signature onto PDFs or other documents, which can be convenient if you just need this and not many other functionalities. So the pricing structure of DocuSign, well, it's a subscription-based service starting at €9 a month for maximally 5 documents a month, and ranging up to €40 per month for more professional features like formulas, bulk send, payment confirmations, and more, which can be attractive to business owners. Also, other features that I should discuss are there are some settings that we can change if we want to customize our experience. For example, if I want to change my plan, if I want to change my profile, my name, if I want to add custom information like a sign or my logo of my company. There are some security settings, and it's really easily customizable. Everything is nicely laid out. It kind of looks similar like an email client, and because it basically is more reliable and bigger email client with some extra features. Oh, and as you can see, I've sent a chart to Mike, and now I'm waiting for Mike to respond it, because this tab in the beginning was showing me nothing because I haven't done anything recently, and now here are things that I have completed. I have sent my document to someone else who has requested me to do this, and I can check why Mike has not yet received it. If I get impatient, I can also just resend it to him and to be like, hey, can you do this for me? Because I can't wait a whole eternity. So thank you for viewing this review of DocuSign. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you found another useful tool for your business or personal life. And if you don't necessarily agree with me, then share your own opinions in the comments below. Let me also show you how to create a custom template. So we go over to templates, then we've got already the template that I have used. So let's create another one. Okay, so first thing, we have to give the template a name. Let's just use a generic one. Review, then a description, a template for performance review. Then we have to upload a file. I have chosen this basic lorem ipsum file. I can have a preview. It's just a test document. I can add someone that I want to send this to. Let's just add myself, role CEO of the company. And then when we go over to the next page, we can customize how we want this template to look. For example, we can add our initials here. And we can add a signature over here. I would like also to add the title of the person signing this, and the custom drawing, for example, over here, just as a space where someone can draw something to acknowledge that the document has been read. Alright, so I want to have everything that I want, and now I can just save and close it. And now I have a template for future reviews, and if I want to just use it or edit, here's this drop-down menu. Let's click on use it, and just like the last time, we can use our template and send it to whoever needs to sign it or whoever needs to review it. For example, we can also add an access code so that even if somebody else opens this on another computer, we also can have this being opened only using this secret code that we can send, for example, via Telegram or Messenger 12345. In conclusion, it's a good software that does exactly what it's supposed to do and what's in its name. It signs documents and can speed up your business life and make you independent from physical post, which can be slow and unfortunately unreliable. Because as we all know, real post loses our letters and it's just generally not a good time.